Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I want to show you how to download and install the Ezviz app on your Android TV, especially if you don't have Google Play Store app. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you have an Android TV and you want to install the Ezviz app without Google Play Store, this is exactly what you can do. On your Android TV, go over to your browser. Now you can use any browser, but in this case I'm going to use my Google browser. You can either use Chrome, Brave browser, or whatever browser you have on your Android TV. It is going to work as long as you don't have Google Play Store. On your browser search history or search box, you are going to type in the name of the application, which is Ezviz. Now I'm not going to type it. I already have in my suggestion here, Ezviz app. That's it, and you just go ahead and search. Now the reason why I'm searching is because the application is available on Google Play Store, and since it's available on Google Play Store, we can use our browser to install even if we don't have Google Play Store app. So I just search on my browser and I'm going to install it from the web version of Google Play Store without my browser. So here's the application. You just click over here and then you can go ahead and install the application to your Android TV. Now forget about the previews here. If your TV is an Android TV, it is going to adjust if the application is created for Android TV. So you see right now it is installing, and that's how you can install the application. Now another thing you could always do is you could see search on the result page if there are other options to install the application from third-party site, and this is an example of a third-party site. This is the official Ezviz Softonic app or website. You can also install the application from a site like this, but the first option is always the best. And that's it about this video. If you like it, make sure to subscribe for more important videos like this.